Good morning, first grade. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Let's go ahead and get started with our student interactive. Please open up to page 87. We are going to be taking a look at some academic vocabulary, some practice with spelling our long I words and putting them in alphabetical order. And then we're going to talk about transitions and conjunctions. So again, get your student interactive out and please turn to page 87. So we'll be working with antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. For example, the opposite of up is down. The opposite of open is closed. Your job today is to read these three sentences and to circle the word that is an antonym for the underlined word or words. So number one has already been done for you, but let's take a look at it as our example. The sentence reads, I did not expect the surprise rainstorm that happened yesterday. Expect is underlined, so we need to find the word that means the opposite of expect. When you expect something, you know it's coming. So the opposite of that would be the word surprise. Go ahead and circle that word. Number two, I prefer fiction books about the seasons instead of informational books. Okay, informational is the word that's underlined. We need to find the opposite or the antonym of the word informational. There are two types of books mentioned in this sentence. What's the other type? If you're thinking fiction, you're right. So fiction books are stories or narratives. They're made up. They're not true. Informational books are true. They're facts with lots of real details. Number three, I just finished writing about summer. Now I have my fall writing in process. So this person has written about summer and is currently writing about fall. So they're writing about fall right now. That's what in process means. What about their summer writing? Their summer writing is all what? All finished. You got it. Go ahead and circle finished. When you have completed this page, go ahead and move on. We're going to skip page 88 and go straight to page 89. On page 89, we read that the letters IGH spell the long I sound, just like we practiced yesterday. For example, in the word tight. Your job is to alphabetize each set of words. Look at the first letter and then the second letter of the word if necessary to put these words in alphabetical order, or what we sometimes call ABC order. So, my words to know, these words do not need to go in alphabetical order. These words just need to be copied down on the lines below. Let's go ahead and get started. I've got my alphabet right here for you to take a look at. And oftentimes it helps us to look at the alphabet written out or write it on the side of our paper. So we know that there are no words that begin with the letter A. You know what might be helpful is for us to go over our words. Let's do that first. So we're looking at the words high, light, sight, night, might, flight, fright, and bright. So there are no words that begin with the letter A. But what about the letter B? The word bright. That's already been written for you. Go ahead and trace it. Are there any C words? I don't see any. D words, E words, F words. Yes, there are two words that begin with the letter F. You'll see these words, fright and flight. And I see that fright, the second letter is R, and in flight, the second letter is L. And if I look at my alphabet, I know that L comes before R. So my next word, my second word should be flight, and my third word should be fright. Let's go ahead and keep moving. Do we have any words that begin with letter G? No. What about the letter H? Yes, the word high. So your third word should be high, H-I-G-H. Go ahead and write that down. Our next word, let's see what it is. Are there any I words? Nope. Any J words? K words? L words? M words? There is an M word. That word is might. Might. Go ahead and write that down. Are there any words that start with the letter N? Yes, I see the word night. N-I-G-H-T. Any O words? Any words that begin with the letter P? Q, R, S. We have the word sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we've used all our words, we've checked all of the letters in the alphabet, so we now know the order of these words in alphabetical order. Let's go ahead and move on. We have one more page we'll be working on. This is page 90. Page 90. And so on page 90, we'll be talking about transition words and conjunctions, and then we're going to do some practice by completing the sentences. Let's read the directions together. Transition words and conjunctions are used to connect two ideas. First, next, then, and last are transition words. But, so, and, or, and because are conjunctions. So let's take a look at this example. It says, first, we walked to the park. Then, we played on the swings and went down the slide. We had fun because we played together. So, first and then, in these first two sentences, those bold words, first and then are transition words because they're transitioning us from one idea to another. So first is starting off this short paragraph, then we're talking about what we're doing next, so it's a transition word. And because are used as conjunctions because they're connecting two ideas in one sentence. So in this sentence about playing on the swings and going down the slide, the word and, that conjunction, is connecting the idea that you played on the swings and also went down the slide. They're connected as a conjunction with that conjunction and. Then the next sentence, we had fun because we played together. You could have written we had fun, we played together, but we need a conjunction if we want to combine those two ideas into one sentence. We had fun because we played together. So that word because brings those two parts of the sentence together. Your job is to use the words in the box to complete these sentences. So you'll be using the words so, but, and, then, first. And you can see that the word first has already been filled out for you. First, Lucy blank, I played basketball. What do you think that missing word is? First, Lucy and I played basketball. If you thought and, you're correct. Go ahead and write that down. Our second sentence, blank, we wanted to see a movie, blank, we were too tired. So first something happened, then we wanted to see a movie, but we were too tired. So you should fill out these two spaces here with then we wanted to see a movie, but we were too tired. So what happened? I just gave away the answer. So we decided to have a snack. Fill out that last line with the word so. So once again, the words in order should be first, and, then, but, so. Okay, you guys, that's it for today. Feel free to go ahead and reach out if you need help, and I'll have another video ready for you for tomorrow. Have a great afternoon. Bye.